love it. I love it.
I know you better get my dishes clean before I love my hand up your ass.
Girl, shut up.
You shut up, you small lip bitch.
And who the hell is that in here cussing like that? Give me that damn phone.
Mom,
What?
I missed the bus.
And I don't know why you telling me, because I'm not taking you to school. And since you want to keep missing the bus, go get my damn house clean.
But can you hand me that remote? It's right there.
I didn't ask you where it was at. I said hand it to me. Now I know a whole thing of cookies ain't going in the hour and I just got my damn food stamps. Stay out of my kitchen.